dinner time, the most chaotic time of all. Well, not anymore, because today, on day 23 of the FlyLady's 31 Baby Step Challenge, we are going to add our afternoon routine. Afternoon routine consists of a lot of things, but today specifically, we're going to add what's for dinner. You can also add during this time prepping your dinner, as some of us have pockets of quiet time during the afternoon. For example, if we are blessed to have children that nap, or if our children go to school outside the home, maybe we have no children and we did our things earlier in the day, or possibly our children are homeschooled and they are done during this time and independently playing. Whatever your situation may be, try to incorporate a quiet pocket of time during the afternoon in order to ask yourself what's for dinner, and if possible, begin to prepare it as well so that later on you can enjoy a peaceful meal with your family rather than the hectic dinner time. If for some reason the afternoon does not work for you at all whatsoever, feel free to shift this around for a time that does work better for you. Some more tips so you can get dinner ready at a reasonable time without stressing ourselves out is we can get the items ready ahead of time. If something needs to be transferred from the freezer to the fridge, for example, chop our vegetables if needed, as well as shop for any missing items. Later on, we're going to learn how to meal plan and how to use our daily focuses to have those running seamlessly as well. But for now, add what is for dinner to your afternoon routine. I've also updated the principle we've been using to track our habits, so be sure you get it down below. It is absolutely for free, and if you're enjoying this journey so far, don't forget to like it and share it, and also leave your comments down below, as it really does help to grow the channel and spread the word to others. Thank you so much for all of you who have done this already. I'm so proud of you. We're so far in this challenge, and I'll see you tomorrow for day 24 of the FlyLady's 31 Baby Step Challenge. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, to God be the glory. Bye.